The septic guys just left after digging up right here and all of my drain field, and you're never gonna guess what they told me. So they suggested a product that you can use for the first signs of any septic issues, and it's this right here, Septic Liberator. Who knew? A simple product like this could have saved me thousands. So they said to start using this right now after I've got all the work done so it doesn't happen again. I don't get any backups or anything. This is just a maintenance. You just put some of this in every month and it keeps it running smoothly. But for people that might be getting some smells or having some septic issues, you can put this in as well and it'll clear those up all the way out to the leach field. On top of that, this stuff is biodegradable, it's safe for the environment, and safe for all types of plumbing. Not all septic disasters are the same, but this stuff actually works 80% of the time is what it says. And the guys that came and did my septic, they swear by it. So go check this stuff out. This is EcoStrong Septic Liberator. Get some, use it every month, save it in case of emergencies. Complete lifesaver.